So my name is Mr. Rayner. I'm one of the assistant head teachers at Hitchin Boys School, and I'm really excited to talk to you about Chromebooks because you're one of the first, you and Year 10 are the first year groups who are going to get to use Chromebooks, get to bring Chromebooks to school. It'll be part of your essential school equipment. And I suppose a good starting point is, why did we decide to be a Chromebook school? Because different schools decide on different devices. Well, for us, we've been a Google school for 9 years, and Chromebooks are built for Google. We've been using Google Classroom now for the last 3 years, and again, Chromebooks are designed to be used with Google Classroom. But also, Chromebooks have lots of advantages. In essence, they are just laptops, but they're working off the web, so they're using apps. They are fast, they are reasonably affordable, they are built to be durable, and they've got fantastic battery life. I can't remember with my own Chromebook here the last time we actually charged it. And if you've charged your Chromebook overnight, there is no way it's going to run out during the school day. Now, as well as asking you to bring in a Chromebook, we've also said that everybody has to have a touchscreen Chromebook. And why have we gone for a touchscreen rather than a non-touchscreen? Well, for us, it's that best of both. The advantages that tablets have, iPads have, the things you can do with those, along with having a keyboard, allows us to work in ways we wouldn't normally be able to work. And that's the thing. To have Chromebooks in school, if we just gave you Chromebooks, that's not going to improve your learning. But if we can use Chromebooks in innovative ways, if we can use Chromebooks to really change how you learn in the classroom, and that touchscreen element will really do that, then we can make a big difference to your experience of what is already an outstanding school. And what can you expect to be doing with your Chromebooks? Well, you can expect to be drawing, using kind of whiteboarding type apps. You can expect to be exploring, to be looking at things all around the world which you wouldn't normally be able to see from a classroom. To be able to annotate websites, to be able to annotate PDFs. To use them for revision and assessment, to see how you're doing, to give your teachers that quick feedback and for you to get that feedback too. And a huge part of being a Google school for the last 9 years is the collaboration it allows us to do using Google Drive and using Google Docs and Google Sheets, where more than one person can work on at the same time. And we're doing lots of things. We've been working behind the scenes on this for a while. One of the things we've done is we've updated our own intranet, so that now on our intranet we have apps so that students will be able to come on them and they'll be able to click on the different apps depending on what their teachers are asking them to do. We'll use things like Google Keep. Google Keep allows us to make notes and to take pictures of things which are on our Google Chromebooks, and to save those for later. And you can do it on all the different devices you've got. We'll use devices and things like Jamboard, which is a Google device where we can draw on it and we can share those different drawings and those different annotations with each other. Like I said, we've been using Google Classroom now for a number of years, and this is my Year 8 Google Classroom, and we put resources on there. My Year 8s could go on here, make a click, and they could follow the slides of the presentation I'm doing. And if at any point there's a word you don't understand, like I don't know what graphs mean, I'm a maths teacher, I can select that word and then instantly I can search the internet for examples of that. I can explore the internet. There's websites Google have started like AutoDraw, where I can make my drawing and Google is trying to work out what it is I'm drawing. If you look at the top here, I've got the different things, and maybe I was trying to draw a baby face. And it's that big thing, isn't it? But we can actually explore the world around us. And as we're thinking about things, we can look and we can touch, and I can take where we live and I can zoom out so I can see all the different places I know that Year 7s are coming from, or I can zoom in, I can touch and I can feel. In that same way as we use our smartphones, we can use our Chromebooks. In that same way as we can use our laptops and we can type and we can write, we can explore the world. And hopefully this will make a huge difference to your experience at school. Hopefully this will be a game changer in terms of the learning we have. Look forward to seeing you in September. Look forward to seeing you all sat there with your Chromebooks. We'll start the year, we're going to do a Google driving license with you all to make sure you've all got the skills you need to be able to use them and make the most of them. Thank you for listening.